In this video, I'm going to reveal a stupid, simple affiliate marketing plan for 2023. Now, this plan will work with any niche, any platform, and it doesn't matter if you are a complete beginner. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn this stupid, simple affiliate marketing platform that you can implement today. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. And guys, don't forget about the $500 giveaway that will be ending on December 20th of this year. So make sure that you watch this video if you want to learn about how you can enter to win $500. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to reveal a stupid, simple affiliate marketing plan. Now, the great thing about this plan is it works with any niche. It works with literally anything. You don't have to show your face. You can show your face if you want to. You can do this on any platform: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it, this will work. And included in this video are some examples of this exact process and action across a variety of niches. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go out and pick a product. Now, this can't be just any product. This is a very important product. This product has to be new to the market and already getting traction. For example, if we take a look here, I have typed in Mac Studio unboxing. And if we take a look at this YouTube video, this YouTube channel is a small channel, only 4,000 subscribers, but they have 900 views. If we take a look at this channel here, once again, this channel only has 16 subscribers, but has 1.8 thousand views from just 3 months ago. We're going to take a look at this one as another example. 12,000 views from 8 months ago, 746 subscribers. And the reason why I'm showing you these numbers is simply because people will tell me that you have to be this large mega channel in order to make money with affiliate marketing. People will tell me that everything is oversaturated and it's impossible to get traffic. So what you need to do is you need to go out and find a product or service that is brand new to the market, that is also getting traffic and push. For example, with this Mac Studio, it was marketed by Apple as the next big thing. ClickFunnels 2.0 was marketed by ClickFunnels and all of their affiliates as the next big thing. So this can work for any niche, any product, any service on the market. Next, obviously, you're going to go get your affiliate link, whether it's from Apple, whether it's from Amazon, wherever it is. You're going to go apply to different affiliate programs. The next question obviously will be, well, how do I find these different products? One of the easiest ways to find these different products is just to type in release. For example, I Googled new makeup release, and I know absolutely nothing about makeup. So if I just Google new makeup release, you'll see that there are lots of people that are helping us solve that problem. So if we type in new makeup release, just like this, it actually will take us to this website, Beautyville.com. And with Beautyville.com, it gives us the ability, and again, this is in the makeup niche, so this will work for anything. We can actually look at new makeup releases by the month. So if we look at December 25th, this actually takes us over to, I copied, I think it's called Tarte Shape Tape Glow Powder Palette 3-piece complexion set. We're going to copy that, and we're going to put this right into YouTube, and we're going to see what pops up. And I guarantee you, because I did this ahead of time, I guarantee you that you're going to see small YouTubers getting views, okay? People ask me all the time, how do I get views? This is the way to do it. This is the way to start a successful affiliate marketing business. So just hang on with me just a second. I'm going to show you what to do next. But you can see here, no views from 7 hours ago, 100 views from a day ago, 1.1 thousand views from 1 year ago, 1.9 thousand views from 1 year ago. Look at the thing that all of these channels have in common. They all have less than 5,000 subscribers with the exception of this one. But if we look at this, 130 views, 57 subscribers. So what you're going to do is you are simply going to start creating content around this product. For example, what we can do is we can type in Mac Studio 4. And now look at this. People are asking, will the Mac Studio work for their individual needs? For example, Mac Studio for gaming. And what you would do is simply create content to answer the question. Now you're going to see that there are large channels here, but then that's how we found this small channel this channel right here that has 16 subscribers but had 1.8 thousand views. So what you can do is come up to the search bar and you can type in Mac Studio or your product, Mac Studio 4. Look at that. Lots of opportunities. Mac Studio for music. Now, again, you want to apply this to your niche. You're just going to type in the product name and then you're going to look and see what pops up and you can create content here. Another thing that you can do is you can do something like Mac Studio, and then we can start creating content here. We can do unboxing. All right, this is going to be a little bit competitive. Now, what I recommend that you do is find products that are either brand new, so that have been released in the last few weeks. At worst, products that are 6 months old, okay? The Mac Studio is about 6 months old, and so we're getting to the edge of being able to jump on a trending product. So if we look at Mac Studio Unboxing M1 Ultra, for example, you're going to see there are lots of views here. There's also big names. That's why I'm recommending that you do Mac Studio 4. Mac Studio, let's do Mac Studio Tutorial. But I guarantee you, if you create this type of content, you will get traffic. And that's the hardest thing for new affiliates to do. Once you get the traffic, you can put your affiliate links in the description of your content, or you can send them to a landing page, which is what I ultimately recommend. But you can see lots of people are asking about this. But if we look at Mac Studio 4, let's see, Mac Studio 4 graphic design once again. But this is just one of the ways that you're going to get traffic. You can also do Mac Studio Versus. So since you have done the research on this product or service, you should know the pros and cons, the strengths and weaknesses of this. So Mac Studio Versus, and then look at all of these different options. Mac Studio versus the iMac 24. And you're simply going to you're going to create content to help solve a problem. All right. People have a question. Look at this, 13,000 views, 315 subscribers. And I just got this by typing in Mac Studio Versus. And you can come back and do this again and again and again. You are going to create pros and cons, what the Mac Studio is good for, what it isn't good for when you're comparing the two. You're going to build a dedicated following. A couple things are going to happen. One, you are going to go and reach people where they are. They're at the very bottom. They know the product, they know the solution, but you're going to start building a group of people that are going to follow you wherever you go. And again, this works for any niche. You could do the same thing for ClickFunnels 2.0. ClickFunnels, let's see. We do ClickFunnels 2.0 like this. If we did ClickFunnels 2.0 review, you're going to see there are a mix of high and low competition. People that have a lot of subscribers. Look at this one. 8 days ago, 423 subscribers, 748 views. 18,000 subscribers, 3,000 subscribers, 18,000 views. This works, guys. You can do this with literally anything. ClickFunnels 2.0, we can delete review, and then we could do tutorials. We can do unboxings. We can also do, let's do tutorial, because people are going to be asking how to do different things with ClickFunnels. And then you put your affiliate link, and then you can create more content on things that are more competitive. Look at all of the views on these teeny tiny channels. ClickFunnels 2.0 versus, now look at this, ClickFunnels 2.0 versus Kajabi. You create content here, then you're going to put your affiliate links in the description. 1.4 thousand views, 345 subscribers. It ranks number one. Everybody can do this. With ClickFunnels, you don't even have to show your face. As long as you are making quality content and you are helping solve a problem, you can be successful. All right, so if we delete ClickFunnels Versus, now again, I recommend that you start at the very bottom of the funnel. You're going to start at the point, because that's where the people that know the problem, they know the solution, they're ready to get it. They have their credit cards out and they're ready to get it. As you start building your domain authority and you start getting more followers and subscribers, that's when you can start moving up the ladder. You can start doing stuff like best funnel builder. Now you're going to see Best Funnel Builder is going to be competitive, going to be lots of views there, and there's going to be lots of subscribers there. Look at this one actually. Best Sales Funnel Builder, 1.8 thousand views, 474. But if we look at the second one, this person has 159,000 subscribers. This third one here, 2.4 thousand views, 2 subscribers. But hopefully you're starting to see that this is the opportunity. You're going to find a product that is new to the market within the last 6 months. You are going to create content about that product or service only. Don't talk about anything else until you start getting traffic based on that product and service, and then you can start moving up. You can move up to like best and top, and then you can also move into who, what, when, where, why, how. For example, you could say something like how to build a sales funnel, but this is going to be more competitive. There's going to be more people in this space. That's why you want to start at the very bottom. Okay. This is how you are going to start a successful affiliate marketing business in 2023. You're going to create the content. You're going to put the links in the description or the bio. If you're on TikTok, ultimately you are going to shift to, you're going to shift to collecting emails for email marketing, and then you can grow even faster. Now that you know how to start affiliate marketing, a stupid simple plan for 2023, click the first link in the description. I've actually put together an affiliate marketing planner. It's a completely free download. You just enter in your name and your email. You can download that planner 100% for free. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you start a successful online business.